Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Come on, let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, let me just say, to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Now, let's get into this video. Today, we will be working on lavender fields, and we are going to paint lavender fields, which is lavender essential oil and lemongrass essential oil. We're going to use yellow again, and now we have purple. Okay, we're going to use purple and yellow from Crafter's Choice, of course. We have our trusty popsicle stick. We have brushes. You need rubbing alcohol, a half a teaspoon, measuring spoon. You also need something to place your mica paints in. So we have that. I have that. We're going to put a bath bomb up here. Well, before we put the bath bomb up here, let's take care of our mixtures, okay? How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. I am okay. As long as I'm with y'all, I'm good. So we have a half a teaspoon in here, 1/2 teaspoon of rubbing alcohol here. And that should be enough. If not, we can always go back and add more. Let me give you the quota today before I forget, because things get beside me and I don't want to forget while we're mixing our paints together, our mica paints. The quote of today is, when you feel like quitting, remember why you started. So I have to remind that for myself as far as being a content creator on YouTube. You know, you say, I'm putting in 2 scoops. I'm sorry, I did 2. You say, oh my goodness, no one's watching my videos. I'm not getting any subscribers. You know, it can be very defeating. But you have to remember, when you feel like quitting, remember why you started. So I have to remember that, why I started my YouTube channel. And the reason why I started my YouTube channel was because I wanted to make sure, I think that's too much, make sure that I wanted to pass on the knowledge that I have learned, and all of the skills and tools over the years as far as being an artisan soap maker, and I wanted to share that with the world. So I have to always keep that in the back of my mind, that there's a bigger picture here, you know, bigger picture. Also wanted to leave a legacy, and I wanted to live forever. So if you Google Glennceria Loving Hands, now YouTube will come up. So my great-great-great-grands can always see they grandmommy, and my great-great-great-grands from them. That's why I'm doing my YouTube. I'm leaving my memories and history for the generations to come. I might not see them, but they'll be here. And they can see me. Hi, guys. All right, so they're all mixed in. We have our purple and we have our yellow. Okay? And the bath bomb that we're working on today is lavender fields. Lavender fields. Let me see if I can do this one. No, I don't like that. Well, maybe I'm just trying to figure things out here, guys. Oh, okay. I like it like that. See? Just got to figure things out. All right. I'm going to take some of my edge off of this. Just clean it up. That's all I'm doing is cleaning it up some. That smells really good. You can smell the lemongrass in that and the lavender. That smells really good. All right, so we have our balm, we have our paints, and we have our brushes. Okay? And I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to take maybe too wide. I'm going to take one of these. Oh, I'm sorry. 40 brushes from Sam's Club, okay? That's where that came from. Sam's wholesale store. All right. Sorry about that. Let me try this. So you take your paint, put it on the brush, and then you make sure you hit it off the sides because you don't want any dripping. And once you apply it, it won't just go down, and that's it. If you need more, then go to your paintbrush and then apply more. Okay? So I like that. We'll put one there. Put one there. What's up Wednesday? What's up? What's going on? Leave a comment down below and tell me what's up for our What's Up Wednesday. What's up? Is anything up with me? No, not really. Not that I can think of right now. What's up with you? Tell me what's going on. What's going on in your woods? I like that just the way that is. So I'm going to stop right there and show you that. Okay, look at that. All right, so we have a little lavender. Now let's come back with our yellow. So I'm getting another paintbrush. Should be somewhat like that size, which would be nice. Oh, what about this? Let's try that, the little fan for the yellow. Okay, so I dipped it in the yellow. Make sure I hit the sides. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. Let's start there. Oh, okay. It didn't do anything. I thought it was going to do something different, but it didn't. But it's cute. Who gets excited over a bath bomb? Glennceria Loving Hands gets excited over a bath bomb. I'm going to be quiet and put some music on so we can just relax and just watch me, okay? right, so here we go. Lavender fills are completed. That's with lavender essential oil and lemongrass. Okay? Beautiful, right? And that's made with yellow mica shimmer and purple mica shimmer. Half the bath bomb split in half, which is fine. A lot of people like them half. That's it for today. What's up Wednesday? I see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you. See you Friday's video. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.